The forecast says 5 days of sun. Your Jeep's looking good, but the tan line's a little weak. It's time to lose the top and become one with nature.
Oh, what do I do? That top looks really heavy.
First, you'll need a friend. Adorable.
Okay, but what about the sharp edges on the top? My hands are really soft and supple, and those sharp edges kind of hurt me.
Yes, as you attempt to wedge your tiny fingers under the Jeep top, it can become a guillotine of pain.
Okay, but what about that balancing act as we're coming off here? If that top swings open, what if we dropped it? If we dropped it, I may say things that my mom wouldn't be proud of me saying. What's really important is you can smash your fingers bad on the ground when you set this down. That hurts so bad. You gotta make sure you're the first man out when you're sitting it on the ground.
I'm still here.
Yeah, looks like I'm okay.
The drive to remove your top from your Jeep is strong.
Dennis, please help me.
But the fear of the removal task often overcomes your desire for air in the hair.
Dennis, my fingers.
At TeraFlex, we've heard your pathetic cries for help.
Please, they hurt so bad.
Introducing the all-new TeraFlex hardtop handles. Dennis will now demonstrate template positioning.
We're gonna do a little bit of light drilling now. This is a good time to go to our happy place.
Relax. Release all tension. This is your perfect place. You have become one with your Jeep. Here, it is spiritual. There are no mile markers on this road. Each path you choose achieves a new experience, filling the soul with caressing beauty.
There, that wasn't so bad now, was it?
With the handles bolted in place, watch as this attractive, extruded aluminum handles make hardtop removal a simple, safe, and fun process. With two-handed control, the top feels almost light, as you and a friend lift your top safely and securely, and then set it down on the provided paint-protected edge guards. It's like they thought of everything.
Ooh, my top removal apprehension is a thing of the past. Oh, we can now safely and easily remove our tops and let our Jeeps run free.
And when it looks like rain, you'll be impressed with the way your top effortlessly glides back into place. The kit has everything you need. 4 sealed to the hardtop anodized handles, templates for install and hardware.
Gabby, I think you'll agree. Once again, TeraFlex has lightened our load. You're gonna love your handles. Wait a minute. That has a nice ring to it. Yeah, that's what we'll call them. Hardtop handles.